Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and making some really good trades, and let's get right into it because right now Bitcoin is currently dropping to 25,157, and I know a lot of people were not expecting this move, or maybe some of you were who were watching my videos, but I know some people who are watching my videos were not very pleased. I mean, with maybe the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe the last 7 to 8 videos, I've been warning about a reversal from the highs here, and then a drop down and a possible continuation towards the downside. And that's exactly what's been happening. And I mean, I don't want to say I told you so, right? Because I don't really like to say that, because it's kind of rubbing dirt into people's wounds who are currently, getting wrecked from this move down today, and especially in the altcoins, because the alts really took a really big hit here. But yeah, I mean, just read the charts, and I know right now we bounced off psychological level, but when you take a look at market cipher, and this is what you want to do. Sorry, this is the natural gas chart, but when you take a look at this chart right here for Bitcoin, and you see that we have an 11. Oops, sorry, this is the wrong one. There we go. Today we had a 16 and a -5. You have so much red money flow, and it's just continuing towards the downside. The momentum is continuing as well, and you can see that the red money flow is increasing. So I am currently not looking for any long positions yet. I am looking for a continuation towards the downside, and the weekly is also looking much worse than before, right? So I mean, you can see that the weekly time frame last week was pretty neutral. We had a 6 and a 3, just sideways chop, and now we have an 11 and a -2, which is pointing that the price may start to move down towards the downside. And on the monthly time frame, you actually have a 15 and a -4 and a red dot on top of that, which is quite bearish, or 16 and a -5, depending on which chart you're on. So overall, it's looking not too great to enter massive long positions for the long term, right? But I do believe that there is going to be an opportunity coming soon. Possibly once we get to 23 to 21,000, I think that may be a nice little area to open some long positions. But we have to see how we get there, and the way we get there as well. Right now we could look at wave edge. There's no significant buying here. There's no real accumulation that I'm seeing on the daily time frame. I think that this could very well continue down. No green crosses here. We got a couple here and a few pops, but it didn't really amount to anything. We're getting some nice buying right now, so which means maybe we might get a little pop up tomorrow morning, retest 25,500 as resistance, because we have now broken below it, right? So it's possible that we're gonna come back up and retest this level as resistance, confirm it, and then continue down. So that would not surprise me at all. And again, that would be an opportunity for the longs or the whales that are accumulating here to exit their long positions, right? Something like this, a little bit of accumulation, a pop up, and then a reversal right back down. Same thing here, accumulation, pop it up, and then you reverse it right back down. And again, I know it's hard to believe that Bitcoin can go lower, because we've gone so low. We've pumped so much, right? We've pumped like 100%, and to think that we're gonna go back down to 21,000, it's like a 20% drop or a 15% drop now after today's move, and it's unthinkable. But you just have to look at the charts and look at what the charts are telling you, right? Because I'm pretty sure in yesterday's video, I'll just go check right now, someone was very upset, and I think they deleted their comment now, but they were saying, I can't believe, you're so stupid, delete this, get out of the trading community, you're so bad at trading. And I mean, I anticipated this move. I get sometimes the market makes you look, like a genius, and this was probably the case, but sometimes the market can make me look like a complete idiot too, right? So I'm not always going to get it right, but for the time being, where we're hitting these trades on the dot. And Hayden is actually killing it as well inside the Discord, because I have been in a Ethereum short position for a while, but Hayden actually posted one this morning, and it actually played out very nicely towards the downside for those of you who are able to get into this short position. Because I posted mine a while back ago. I think it was way back here on September 4th. I entered in Ethereum short at 1623, and if you check the price of Ethereum today, that we are significantly lower. We're at 1554. So again, that's a really nice move towards the downside. And again, Ethereum is looking very ugly at the moment, similar to Bitcoin, increasing red money flow, and no sign of a bottom just yet. If we make a lower low and a higher green dot, a higher low on the momentum waves here, that would be a bullish divergence. The price going lower in the momentum waves, making a higher low, that would be really good. And I'll actually probably chance a nice little long position there on Ethereum. But for the time being, just follow what Bitcoin's doing and just follow what the S&P 500 is doing today. We got a nice little bid in the markets, but light volume, right? That's what to be expected. And then we saw that the DXY pulled back. And again, the DXY pulling back, right? It should be a bullish sign for Bitcoin. And again, Bitcoin sold off with the DXY. So what does that tell you? If the dollar rises back up again tomorrow, that's going to put another amount of, put a good amount of pressure on Bitcoin, and it's probably going to break the lows here at 25,000 and start to go lower, right? And again, you can chance some longs, right? We're at some pretty decent support here, coming back to retest this channel. Obviously, we could you could bring it back down a little bit, so we're just right on it at the moment, right? So you can chance some longs here if you want. But overall, I think we've been chopping here too long, and I think we've consolidated at these levels, and we were just getting ready for our next move lower. And I believe the trend is going to be down. Okay, so again, that's my 2 cents. You guys can get mad if you want and get emotional. And the people that are getting emotional right now, it's an amazing confirmation that the shorts or the move towards the downside may continue, right? It may panic people out of their long position. So if you're getting long because you were chasing at these highs here and you're down 9%, and someone comes out on YouTube and does analysis on Bitcoin and tells you that it's going to go down another 22%, then you're going to get really upset because you bought into these highs here like retail, while big money, right, commercial money, is significantly short. And I've posted so many things here saying that commercial money is short the market. It's not short the market. Well, I'm pretty sure they're short the market, but they're short Bitcoin. And I'll just scroll back up here to Friday when I posted the CME Bitcoin Commitment of Futures report, dated for September 5th, right? Which was it's for the whole week of September, and then it was illustrating the changes from August 29 to September 5th, and you can see that they added 412 contracts to the short side, and then they removed 41 contracts to the long side, right? And then you can see that retail money, right, dumb money, is still long. The people who are getting mad and losing their hairs, right? And right now they're only short 723 contracts. Well, they're probably going to start adding as we go down and panic add to the shorts at the lows, while commercial money is going to be using retail's exit liquidity to get out of their shorts and then re-enter their long positions and then take it back up and wreck the shorts that way, right? So that's just the way it is. That's just the way the world works, right? It's not going to change anytime soon. Big money always wins, and that's the way it's going to go. Anyways, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you guys use this video to make some great trades. And if you guys want to get access to my trades, which by the way, I think I'm up about 45% on our Bitcoin short now. We have a secondary Bitcoin short that's up about 18%. And then we have an Ethereum short that's up 49%. So again, these are just amazing swing shorts that I entered up here. And I'm probably going to be holding them for quite a bit of time until we reach like 21,000 to 23,000. And I'll let you guys know when I exit. All right, thanks for you all for watching my video. Love you all. And hopefully we catch the big bounce that's going to be coming at these lows. Peace.